Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi French toast. This unique twist on a classic breakfast item incorporates aromatic spices, creating a truly delightful experience. We will explore the simple ingredients and steps to bring this sweet and flavorful dish to your table. Get ready to transform ordinary bread into an extraordinary treat, perfect for any time of day. This guide will help you master the art of Desi French toast. Now let's prepare our flavorful batter. In a medium bowl, crack 2 large eggs, then pour in about 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. The secret to that authentic Desi taste is adding 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom. Whisk everything together vigorously until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth. This perfectly spiced batter is the heart of our delicious French toast. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Take each slice of bread and quickly dip it into the batter, allowing it to soak for just a few seconds on each side. Place the coated bread onto the hot griddle. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a gorgeous golden brown color and a slightly crispy edge. Your delicious Desi French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm to savor its incredible flavor and soft texture. For an extra touch of sweetness, you can dust it with a sprinkle of powdered sugar or drizzle a little maple syrup. Garnish with some finely chopped pistachios, almonds, or even a few delicate saffron strands. This sweet and aromatic dish pairs perfectly with a hot cup of chai, making for an unforgettable breakfast or snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.